Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we're talking about a very different product. It's not a smartphone, it's not a laptop, neither is it a headphone. Today we're talking about a premium and feature-packed vacuum cleaner. So this is the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro, which now comes with swappable batteries. So this is the latest version of this product. I had reviewed the previous version of this product some time back, but that one did not come with a removable battery, and this one does. It also has some other great features up its sleeves. So let's talk about it in detail. This new version of the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro comes with some great features, and number one, the most requested one which they finally implemented, is a removable battery. So if you're cleaning something and you run out of battery, you can just swap in a new one and continue your cleaning. Swappable batteries are a welcome upgrade for the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. You also get improved runtime on this vacuum cleaner. So as compared to the previous version, the battery life has been improved, and that is always a welcome upgrade. Now one more thing that is new over here is the advanced filtration system. Dyson was already the best in terms of filtration out there, and now they're even better. One of the main reasons for this is Dyson's dust study. Now there are a lot of dust particles around us in our household. We cannot see these particles because they are very small. Now in Dyson's dust study, they study all these various dust particles around your household, and this helps them improve their products. For example, their V11 Absolute Pro vacuum cleaner can clean up to 99.9% of the particles in your household, which are as small as 0.3 microns. For context, the diameter of your hair is 50 microns. Now that is seriously impressive, and this dust study helps them improve their products just as they did with this vacuum cleaner. Now last year the entire world went through a major shift. Everyone started working from home, and during work from home, keeping things clean became of prime importance. Also, because of the COVID situation, the house help was very limited, and a lot of people had to clean their houses on their own. The work from home culture is here to stay, and a lot of people are going to clean their houses on their own. So yes, having a good vacuum cleaner is of prime importance. Now the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro helps a lot if you are working from home and cleaning your house on your own, especially this new version. Now in the previous version, I had a major complaint that the battery life wasn't that great, and more than the battery life, the charging time was way too much. Now with removable batteries, that problem has been solved. Alright, in terms of design, Dyson vacuum cleaners have always stood out from the competition. They have very unique looking products, and especially their vacuum cleaners. Now this is a cordless vacuum cleaner, which is very convenient. You don't get a long cord that you have to carry around everywhere. You can just go wireless and clean your house without worrying about any cables. I really appreciate this feature. I'd said this point in my earlier review as well, that having a cordless vacuum cleaner is excellent. Now one design element that I absolutely love is the hands-free bin. You just have to pull down one lever and all the dust will go into your dustbin or wherever you want to put it. It shows that Dyson has put a lot of thought into this product, and this feature is just awesome. I love the hands-free bin. Like, you can keep things clean and minimal, and that's exactly how I like them. Now this vacuum cleaner comes with a display up top. First up, you can see which mode you are in. There are 3 modes: Eco, Medium and Boost. You can switch between these modes and see which one you are in. You will also get to know the remaining runtime, and if there are any errors, those will also show up on that display. Now just below the display there is a physical button, and using this button you can change between the various modes. So you can go to Eco, Medium and Boost using this button. Now talking about the modes, Eco mode has the least suction and Boost mode has the most suction. Now obviously when you use the vacuum cleaner in Boost mode, it will consume more battery life. So for context, in Eco mode you will get a runtime of about 60 minutes, in Medium mode you will get around 45 minutes, and in Boost mode you will only get 15 minutes. Now that's the battery life part of it. But what about the performance? Well, in Boost mode the suction is way too much. So for those deep cleaning sessions you can use the Boost mode, and for light cleaning sessions you can use the Eco mode. It is very convenient to have 3 different modes, because depending upon what you are cleaning, you can switch between them. Now I have one small complaint over here, that the battery life is still not the best out there. Like, they have improved the battery but not by that much. I would have loved to see a better battery over here, maybe like 30 to 45 minutes in Boost mode. That would be awesome. Now if you just own a single battery, then I would say one full charge is ideal for a home which is about 1000 to 1200 square feet and not more than that. If you have a big home, then you should buy multiple batteries because they will come in handy. Otherwise, you'll have to wait for around 4 hours for the battery to charge up completely, and that is kind of annoying. Now, vacuum cleaner is only as good as the attachments it comes with. The Dyson V11 Pro comes with a host of accessories. The main one is the nickel high torque one, which can be used on hard floors as well as soft surfaces. Dyson's DLS, that is dynamic load sensor, will intelligently detect brush bar resistance, and it will automatically change the suction power between carpets and hard floors. So this attachment is the main one and it works like a charm. Now apart from this, you also get a host of attachments which can be used at various places. You can use this vacuum cleaner for a lot of surfaces. For example, your desks, sliding window tracks, your sofas, and the interior of your car as well. I really found this vacuum cleaner to be helpful in my car. Like whenever I went on a road trip with my friends, I would carry this vacuum cleaner and there it comes in very handy. But overall, I am very happy with the attachments. Now if we talk about charging, it will take about 4 to 5 hours for the battery to charge up completely from 0 to 100%. That's why, as I said, if you have a big home, then you should buy multiple batteries. Otherwise, you'll have to wait for a long time, and that is an inconvenience. So yes, if you own a big house, definitely buy multiple batteries. All in all, I would say this model is a very good upgrade from the previous one. They have improved a lot of things and solved most of the complaints, which is a very good thing. Taking user feedback and improving your products is always appreciated. Now, if we talk about pricing, this vacuum cleaner costs 60,000 rupees. I'm not saying that it is a cheap vacuum cleaner. It is definitely a premium vacuum cleaner and it is not for everyone out there. It's a very expensive one and I do get that point. Now, also a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Dyson. They just send the product over here for review purposes and all the opinions are my own. This video is not sponsored at all. But yeah, the bottom line is that if you want the best vacuum cleaner out there and you don't care about money, then you should definitely consider this one. It won't disappoint you and the product is actually great. If you want to buy it, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was my review of the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It will mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.